Navneet, you are with you're the boss of AMFI. You have a sort of bird's eye view of what's going on in the mutual fund industry and of course therefore the markets. Would you agree broadly with what Radhika has talked about in terms of the domestic inflows and how the broader markets are still looking very, very good?
Of course, so mutual fund sahi hai. We all strongly believe in it. Uh, my grandfather lived in an era where the country had to import wheat under PL 480, which was a leftover of United States. My father lived in an era where foreign grant was still very critical for the well-being of Indians. I lived in an era where Indian entrepreneurs were overly dependent on global money, be it an venture capital or a private equity or public markets. Ownership of public market was like 25% held by foreigners. My kids are living in an era where a Hyundai or an LG and maybe tomorrow many other global investors will be raising money from this country, and we are raising money from SIP, which is 2300 rupee ticket size per account, 10 crore accounts, 23,000 crore rupees. What a transformation that we have seen. This is the power of the retail money. I agree with both of them. These are early days of financialization of savings in India. The formalization of the economy, digitalization of the economy, and particularly digitalization of finance and financialization of savings. These are structural long-term trends. And of course, the another one I can add is financialization of assets, that even whether it's infrastructure assets, real estate or variety of these will also get fractionalized ownership, and larger number of Indians will own that. This is a structural trend. I'll just give you one data point. 23,000 crores into 12 is almost $35 billion. Manish has been in market for as long as maybe a few years more. There has not been a single calendar year or a financial year where foreign portfolio investors have invested that kind of money. And this is coming from retail individual investors in India. I think we must not underestimate the power of it. Markets move like pendulum. They will do excesses on both sides. I agree with Manish. There are parts of market, SMEs, some of the IPOs where I think investors think this is not an initial public offer. They think this is instant profit opportunity. IPO means instant profit opportunity.
That's a good one.
SME is like a short-term money making opportunity. These are not like that. Trees don't grow to the sky. So some of them will correct. That's the nature of the beast. But overall, I think if you ask me about India's fundamentals, I think we are creating an economic miracle which is unparalleled in human history, and we can discuss more about it.